Hey, hey, hey. Want to introduce myself. My name is Abaduni Martin. I'm your host of the Sign Complex, and I want to let y'all in on some great material. I'm giving you guys a review on Oomph boards, spelled OOMPH. OOMPH. Some great materials. My first time using it. I was doing an installation for a company out of Atlanta called Pathstone, and you can get this material from takeform.net. I believe they're the manufacturers of this material. Don't quote me on that, but that's where you can get your Oomph boards. Let me show you what it looks like here. As you can see here, these are what the boards look like. It's like a felt material all the way through and through. Um, I like the sturdiness of it. It's actually the great thing about this material is sound absorbing. So if you have studios or you do podcasting and stuff of that nature, you can use this material. Also, you can put different designs on it as well and cut it to how you like it. So it has a lot of different applications to it. And I think it's a great material to use if you want to just lively up your office or, reduce the sound and have some colorful graphics applied to it as well. This is a great material to use. Like I said, it's like felt material, so it's very sturdy. It's very thick material as well. I believe it comes in different mils. This is one of the thickest I've seen. It's about 13 to 14 mil. It's pretty thick material, pretty durable. It's great. I also installed a illuminated sign on it as well. I'll show you some video and some pictures on that as we move forward. But I think it's a great material to use. Definitely a great selling point is like I said, it reduces sound and it's decorative as well. So anybody interested in purchasing, or if you're a sign shop and you're looking to promote something, this is a great material to use and to promote to your clients, your end user. I can't say much about it as far as that. I liked using it. The great thing about it, you can apply it using some heavy duty interior exterior construction adhesive. As you can see, this is pretty much all I use to install it. And I installed an entire wall. It was about 120 feet by 8 feet. hmm So it was this to do it. Allow about 12 hours, if you to basically dry and adhere to the wall. You need that if you're going to apply any signage on top of it. That's recommended at least 12 hours before you apply anything onto the Oomph boards. I like the name. Oomph. Oomph. This is it. Oomph boards. Yes, it comes in all type of sizes. You get it cut how you want to. So it's great material. I love it. So that's all I wanted to say about Oomph boards. I'm gonna give you my, little review on things that I like that I actually use. Not something I'm just coming up with and thinking it's cool. I use a lot of these different materials, and I like to give my reviews on the different materials that I use, and hopefully for those sign guys or those installers or just consumers that's looking to lively up their offices or buildings. This is something to look into, and I definitely recommend it to anybody who's interested. I do not get paid to review. I wish I did, but I don't. This is the stuff I like to do, and stuff I like to actually use when I come across materials that gets me excited. So Again, Oomph boards. Take a look at it. Do some research. If you want me to go more in depth, let me know in the comments. Um, Leave your own review on what you want to know more about and what different type of materials you want to learn about. Uh, I encourage you to do that. This is going to be something I do on a consistent basis. So please give me your review. Follow me on my YouTube. Follow me on my podcast, on my website dew.com.co, dew.com.co. And like I said, you can follow me on YouTube as well. All right, thank you.